Geoffrey Smith here. This morning I was down at the Wakodahatchee Wetlands Preserve down in Boyton Beach. It was an artificial wetlands created with the treated water from their sewage treatment plant. It's in a very populated area. This is about a 50-acre wetlands with a 3/4 mile boardwalk, elevated boardwalk. They've designed an area to attract the birds, and it's great nesting and feeding of birds. It's known statewide and probably nationally as a place for birders to come and photograph all the different wading and water birds of Florida. Enjoy the video. It's beautiful to see the birds and see our natural environment. Thank you for joining me.